Hi guys, welcome to Trendy Unboxing. Today I have Ariel Perfect Wash Powder with me. But before that, if you are new here, do subscribe to us by pressing that subscribe button down. So, this is the front side of packaging. You will able to see the name of the product, that is Ariel Perfect Wash, and the cost of this product is rupees 10, and they provide 35 gram free to us. Packaging wise, it's quite good. Now let's see what they have given on the rare side of the packaging. Here you will able to see again the cost of product, that is rupees 10, and they have mentioned Ariel is a registered trademark. Its manufacturing date is 29th April 2021. For brilliant clean, they say that use one handful of powder, and for best result, do not overdose. Store in a cool dry place. You have to soak your clothes at least for an half an hour. If you keep it overnight, then it will become problem for you. So I recommend you to soak your clothes for at least half an hour. If you have any query about the product, then they have given customer care number and their email ID on packaging itself. They have given manufacturer's address of the product. The net weight of the product is 55 gram plus 35 gram extra. So 90 grams we get in this package, which costed me rupees 10. They say that you have to use by 24 months after production date. One more thing, if you have small children, then I suggest you to keep this product in a plastic container and keep that container away from reach of the children. If by mistakenly these products get into your eyes, then rinse your eyes thoroughly with water. That too immediately. After washing your clothes, rinse your hands thoroughly with normal water. This packaging is manufactured by Srinath Rotopack Private Limited. This is the small package I had brought. If you want, you will get 200 grams, 500 grams and 1 kilo pack also. And it's easily available in supermarket and online too. I have given the purchase link in the description box below. Now, let's get to know why to go for this product. It gives you shine, plus it removes stains and odor from clothes. There are no side effects after using this detergent. It also has slight good fragrance. If you want to use this for semi-automatic washing machine, then for normal cloth you can use 2 scoops, and for very dirty clothes like jeans and all, you can use 3 scoops. And for hand wash, for normal clothes you can use 1 scoop, and for heavy or dirty clothes you may go for 1.2 scoops. That's all in this video guys. Do let me know your views in the comment section below, and don't forget to like this video. Thank you.